Close to Portland again, seeing hazy and smoky conditions. It's from that fire that we've been talking about this morning, the paper mill fire out in Longview. So quick check here of these conditions and our air quality. Take a look out to Kalama. That is nearby Longview up in southwest Washington. 61 degrees, but look at that smoke that is hovering at the surface just over the river there. It's a much smokier and hazier start here this morning due to that fire. A check now of our air quality, and you can see here we are seeing unhealthy levels of air quality in portions of Clark County there, mainly out of the Vancouver metro area, and also portions of North Portland too, now at unhealthy air quality levels because of that fire. We are seeing a nice light north wind pushing that smoke right into this area. And right now it's concentrated mainly in the north and eastern parts of Portland, not so much out to Forest Grove or towards the west or southwest portions of the Portland metro area, but that could change. More of that smoke may seep in as that fire continues to burn. We're going to keep northerly winds in place here through much of today, so that again will keep those winds and that smoke again pushing into the region here as those winds move in from the northwest. So still smoky through much of today. We'll see that smoke as long as that fire continues to burn out near Longview. So we're going to watch that the rest of the morning. Again, if you have respiratory issues or are sensitive to surface smoke from fires, we'll likely see that smoke hovering around Portland through much of today. So be aware of that, and maybe limit your time outdoors as that smoke continues to burn. Now, taking a look here out down in southern Oregon, out in the Rogue River Siskiyou National Forest, we have that flat fire burning right there. And that again may send some high level smoke into our area going into Thursday. This is our largest wildfire in Oregon right now. It's about 8,000 acres in size, burning just west of Grants Pass in the Medford area in timber. So we will likely see some high level haziness continuing into Thursday from that fire burning in that region. So the next couple of days a little hazy as we head our way into both those days due to fires around the region. Notice that nice pink red glow in our sunrise this morning out of Vancouver. So we are seeing that haze in the skies, but again as we head away into our day today, we're still back under sunshine. A bit hazy, but still a lot of sunshine and heat expected for today. Expect those temperatures to bump towards the 80s by about lunchtime, low 90s as we head into our afternoon. So still some heat to work with today. Tigard, Beaverton, highs around 95 degrees today. And our Wednesday will be the hottest day of this week. But again, still toasty throughout the afternoon. Portland again, 95 degrees, and Vancouver, Salmon Creek, even with the smokiness and the haziness, will likely still bump into the low to mid 90s. So a lot of hot temperatures on the way this afternoon. It's all due to high pressure that is still anchored in right across the southwestern U.S. here. So again, portions of Arizona, Nevada, and eastern California still seeing triple-digit temperatures going into today. Portland will likely hit the mid-90s under this high pressure. We'll keep it sunny and dry, but we do start to dip back down towards more normal summertime temperatures in the low to mid-80s as we head towards the end of the weekend. So we will relatively cool down, but today and tomorrow likely back in the 90s. There's your peek at those temperatures today in Las Vegas. 112 today, in Phoenix 117. That'll be day 20 today of temperatures above 110 degrees in a row, breaking and smashing lots of record highs in that area. Just incredible heat still anchored in across the desert Southwest. Now, again, today back in the mid 90s. We'll keep it a bit hazy. Still a hot afternoon to be aware of. Find ways to cool off today. If you'll be outside, make sure to drink plenty of water and wear that sunscreen. Hazy tomorrow, still likely in the 90s, but then we start to cool down a bit back to the 80s with lots of summer sunshine as we head towards this coming weekend.
Thank you very much.